My friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a home goods shop with me for Valentine's Day decor. Yes, that's right. They already have a little bit of their stuff out. I feel like my store did not have as much as I've seen on YouTube with other people's stores, but this is a smaller store. There is a bigger, better store that's about 20 minutes from me. So I think maybe at some point I will go there once they have like maybe their spring stuff out, Easter stuff, and Valentine's. Then maybe at that point I'll go there and see what they have. But for now, cute items. As you saw, I absolutely love that little cart there. It was kind of like a flower stand type of thing, and I love that. That particular day that I was here, or the particular day I was here, I did not get anything, but I did go back actually today when I'm doing the voiceover, and I did get it, and I was so glad I did. It was by Martha Stewart, super cute. And as you can see, there are lots of other things here. Valentine's Day gingerbread house, which I loved. Lots of tabletop decor. And obviously the prices range anywhere from, I think I saw like $9.99, $6.99, up to this very large, like fake kind of candy dish type of thing. That one was, I think, $59.99. So this particular thing I think is super cute. This little like rose box, that was cute. I like that. I like this little cute teddy bear. I think that was cute. That one was $9.99, which I thought was a little on the higher side. I feel like that should have been like $5.99. That is cute. Can You Kiss Me More books. They had lots of stuff like Valentine's trees, as you saw earlier, Valentine's nutcrackers, a little box of chocolates. That is super cute. That one was $14.99. And you guys, I have not done a voiceover in a very long time. Hopefully it sounds okay across. I don't usually do voiceovers anymore, but I'm going to try to do something new here, which is to be consistent with my YouTube channel in 2026. And I plan on hopefully being able to upload 2 videos a week. I'm trying to do it probably Sundays and maybe Wednesdays. And Sundays will be like a shopping video. And then on Wednesdays, some other kind of home video, whether that's like a clean with me, a decorate with me, home decor haul, organization, whatever it is. That is what I planned, or that's what I have planned so far for like Wednesdays. So we'll see how it works out. Hopefully it'll work well. But I just have to try to come up with a really good schedule. That way I can hopefully be consistent on my channel this upcoming year. By the way, you can definitely, if you're seeing this, drop a comment down below. Let me know what kinds of videos you'd like to see. Again, if you're new here, my niche is like, homemaking, home decorating, shopping. That's what I typically do. So if it's in that arena, let me know. Here they had lots of florals and then more of those big like stacked books. They had lots of different wreaths over here, super cute. And then this right here, oh my gosh, I've got to go back and get it. It was $19.99, so pretty. And then I love this like XOXO, kind of look like a little treat, like a donut kind of thing. This big conversation heart stack, that was $49.99. And then just a few other like little table decor or whatnot. This was the conversation heart, super cute. Just lots and lots of different things. Like I said, I know that this one didn't have as much as what I've seen other people's stores have. I am curious to know about the bigger store that I said was about 20-30 minutes away. About that one. This cute little teddy bear with her little ballerina flat, $16.99. Loved it. And then these elves back here. I am so sorry if you like those elves, but they are creepy to me. They're just not cute. And I don't know, Valentine's Day elves? I don't know. But then it was like a little holiday Valentine monster. And then this little cute garland here. Love that. Another cute heart wreath. This one was really cute, especially if you're into like a more glam type of situation. I thought that was cute as well. And then they had tons and tons of Valentine's throw blankets that I really like. Some of them, I think they range from $19.99 to $29.99. So some of them can get up there, but I love that checker print one. I think that one was super, super cute. $24.99 for that one. And of course, the bow theme is still hanging on strong. It's been this way for, I don't know, maybe the past couple years, where it's just the coquette, is that what it's called? Coquette bows has really been a thing with pillows, just all kinds of decor. Pillows, lampshades, candle holders, throw blankets, it's just been a thing. Super cute. And as you can see, there are more throw pillows and blankets, and then you'll see here in a minute just some Valentine's Day cookware, cups, and whatnot, dishware. That's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel. I will see you back here soon for more videos. Bye-bye.